Howdy YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special unboxing video. I'm not sure if this is on Amazon or on TikTok, so we'll check it out. You guys could click the link down below. Order these now. Hopefully everyone had a good day. Everybody is staying safe. Here we go. It's October. Spooky season, guys. Halloween is a few weeks away. And here we go. Ooh. Okay, this is Amazon. Alright. This is coming from... Wow, that's tiny. DIGIERA. It is a digital era, which I don't mind. This is a portable SSD. Alright. It has up to 2000 read MBS, 1800 write MBS, and 1 terabyte. So this is good. Good for like video editing and stuff like that, or you know, small business, whatever you need. Here we go. If I could open it. Oh, sticker right there. And let me cut that in 2 pieces. There we go. Any more? Come on. Oh. Dun 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 dun. Oh. We got some kind of magnetic ring. Alright. So this could go right to your phone. Oh. Okay, this is for like cell phones. Now this is gonna be nice. Because a lot of us are using our phones more than ever. And now you got a backup right there. Look at that. Ooh. I like this. I like it a lot. I think that's like an extra protecting slip guard. Alright, I'm gonna have to grab the other phone for a sec. I was not expecting this today. So, yeah, see, this is for like magnetic phone holders. You know, you guys, I have one. Everyone should have one of those. And you just pop in right onto your thingamabob. Okay, hold on. Let me grab the phone. Bada boom. Other phone. And now let's see how I can do these. Okay. Here we go. Bada boom. And then just plug it in. Like so. That doesn't do anything. Ooh. It even lights up. That should be ready to go. Make sure I'm not missing any plugins. Maybe it's going to take a second. Let me double check. Let me take a peek at the Untitled browse. Cloud storage, okay. Browse. And hold up. There we go. USB storage 1 terabyte. Right there. So now you could save. Oops. Unformat, unmount, format. Everything is good to go. And then there you go. So you guys should know how to use these by now. And then once you don't want to use it, just unmount it. Use it to your other phone. But this is really cool. I'm definitely going to be using this because I do a lot of videos on my phone. So it's going to save up time and space. So you can probably just plug it in, upload it to your computer, and bada boom, bada bing. This little guy is going to save you. Really cool. Alright, thank you guys over at DIGIERA. DIGIERA. Oh boy. DIGIERA. This is really cool. Unreal. Alright, be safe. Have a good night.